Amazon RDS is a managed relational database service. Amazon RDS makes it easy to set up, operate, and scale a relational database in the cloud. It provides cost-efficient and resizable capacity, while automating time-consuming administration tasks, such as hardware provisioning, database setup, patching, and backups. It frees you to focus on your applications. Amazon RDS provides you with 6 familiar database engines to choose from, including Amazon Aurora, PostgreSQL, MySQL, MariaDB, Oracle Database, and SQL Server. You can use the AWS Database Migration Service to easily migrate or replicate your existing databases to Amazon RDS. Here are the key benefits. Easy to administer. Amazon RDS makes it easy to go from project conception to deployment. You can use the Amazon RDS Management Console, the AWS RDS command line interface, or simple API calls to access the capabilities of a production-ready relational database in minutes. You do not need to worry about infrastructure provisioning, installing, and maintaining database software. Highly scalable. You can vertically scale your database's compute, memory, and storage resources with only a few mouse clicks or an API call, often with no downtime. Many Amazon RDS engine types allow you to launch one or more read replicas to offload read traffic from your primary database instance. Available and durable. Amazon RDS runs on the same highly reliable infrastructure used by other Amazon Web Services. When you provision a multi-AZDB instance, Amazon RDS synchronously replicates the data to a standby instance in a different availability zone, AZ. Amazon RDS also has many other features that enhance reliability for critical production databases, including automated backups, database snapshots, and automatic host replacement. Fast. A DB instance is an isolated database environment running in the cloud. You can provision new RDS instances only in a few minutes. Amazon RDS supports the most demanding database applications with fast performance. You can choose between 2 SSD-backed storage options. In addition, Amazon Aurora provides performance on par with commercial databases at 1/10 the cost. Secure. Amazon RDS makes it easy to control network access to your database. It lets you isolate your database instances by running them in Amazon VPC and connect to your existing IT infrastructure through an industry-standard encrypted IPsec VPN. Many Amazon RDS engine types also offer encryption at rest and encryption in transit.